Hey guys, today I'm going to give you some ideas of different ways that you can gift wrap just to add the little extra touch to your gifts this year. So, what I have, wrapping paper. I have different size boxes because I'm going to show you multiple ways. And I have a lot of pretty ribbon. I have wire edged, I have the sheer, so it's really, really pretty. Then I have these really cute glitter pine cones, some adorable little bells. Then I have this like thicker ribbon. I also have my Bodabra. That's the bow maker we will be using, and bow wire, of course, this is just like a thicker version of bow wire. Scissors and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So I want to show you several ways that you can decorate these boxes by using these cute little pine cones. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start a little bit at the back just to hang there for when I'm done. And you know, just wrapping it around a few times and adding a bow will look really cute. You know, if you want to do that. But we're going to add a little something extra to ours. To take one of our pine cones and just thread it through. And of course this will be easier with the thinner bow wire, but I like to save the bow wire specifically for my bows. So I threaded it around and kind of just like twist it like that. Then I'm going to come around and do it again. And this side is going to be a little difficult to stay down until you're completely done. But just work with it. And I'm going to do it again. Just place it through. Twist it. And you can stop at 2, but I'm going to do one more. And this is just something different that you can do. That's just like different from the ordinary gift wrapping. Okay, when you come to the end, finally, you're going to pull it together tight at the back. Then tie it in a knot. Just like that. I think that's so cute and different. You can even add a little bow to it if you'd like. So the next thing you can do, which is pretty much the same concept of the pine cones, but with little jingle bells. And for this one I will have to use bow wire because this is too thick to go through the little loop of the bell. Okay, so I'm going to just thread through my first bell. So cute. And I'm going to go ahead and thread all of them. I'm moving these out of the way because I want one bell for each time I bring it around. So I have this bell in place. Right, so we have the second bell and it's going to be slightly staggered. Just like that. To come around with the third bell. And last but not least, our final bell. I'm just going to come back together at the back and tie it. And then you can adjust the bells as much as you need to. You can even add a cute little bow just right there. And that's just something that's just like really different. And so now we will be using our large Bodabra to make this next bow. So fold the bow wire in half, sit down, And I've cut the ribbon into 10-inch long pieces and 20-inch long pieces. I have about 2 to 3 pieces of each. And I have 3 different styles of ribbon. So I have the really pretty gold trim ribbon with the gold embellishments. I have the sheer gold. Then I have this really pretty gold trimmed one. So 10-inch long pieces and 20-inch long pieces. I'm just going to, let's see. I'm just going to scrunch it in the center, fold it in half, bring the front and the back upwards, and place it down. And I'm just going to mix up using the longer pieces and the short pieces to make my loops and my tails. Alright, so I've added in all of my bows. It's so cute and poofy. You can keep going if you'd like, but I'm going to finish up here. And again, this is wire edge and sheer, so it is a little difficult to keep everything together, but it's worth it. It's going to take your 2 open ends and place them through the loop. Hold it in place and pull really tight. Then we are just going to tie it a couple of times. Alright, so now we're just going to fluff it out, make it look really cute. And I love these colors together, they just look so elegant. And they just make your gift look like 10 times more expensive. Alright, so there it is, so cute. Perfect for an adorable gift. So you can definitely glue it in place just on top like this. I would use either just a tiny amount of glue right in the center to glue it down, or I'd use something to help glue it down. So I have 2 more pieces of ribbon, and you have several options. You can either glue both pieces down like that and place your bow. So you see that option. Or if you'd like, you can crisscross them like that and then place your bow down. Either way is so cute and adorable. Alright, so I think I'm going to go with this way because it's just so cute. And both pieces of ribbon are so gorgeous. I don't want to cover either, so I think I'm going to like put them side by side. And that's kind of different too. So I'm just going to place them down. Come around to the back. And when you get to the back, you can definitely hot glue the ribbon in place. Just like that, but you guys know I don't like gluing that often because I like to reuse. So I'm actually going to tie it in a knot. Just like that. And the same with this one, just tie it in a knot. And that way you can reuse all of your ribbon. See? Nice and neat. Come around to the front. It looks so cute. You can still adjust it. We're going to take our adorable bow. So that's how it's going to look. And then I'm just going to hot glue it in place. And there you have it. So cute and adorable.